Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. IJ my name. If you are just joining, you welcome. Today update is all about the stores that are going to be opened this week. So in Italy, because some stores are in lockdown, but they are going to open some stores now. So the stores are the laundry shop, the children clothes shop, the cartoleria, which is the stationery shop, and also they will be opening the bushworkers will open, and also the plumbers will open, but it's not in all region. Piemonte will not open yet, and also Lombardia will not open yet, but they said they want to open this shop because so that anybody that want to go and buy books in the bookshop can buy books and all of that, and many other things. You want to do laundry, you can go, and many other things. So guys, but this weekend they are still going to open some factories like Fabrica and others. So please stay tuned, subscribe so that when they open, you get the notification. Love you, bye bye.
Una graduale riapertura che riguarderà alcuni negozi e attività produttive. Da domani potranno infatti rialzare le serrande librerie, negozi per bambini, cartolerie e lavanderie, ma non le troverete aperte in tutta Italia. Lombardia e Piemonte hanno deciso di lasciare chiuse cartolerie e negozi di libri per paura di un aumento dei contagi. Anche la Campania non li riaprirà e il Lazio lo farà tra una settimana.
Okay guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I upload new video, you'll be notified. And also when your workplace opened, you'll be notified as well. Please share this video, like my video, subscribe. Love you all. Bye bye.